Oh, you got the small one. I was gonna make you use this. Dude, I wish I could.
That
use
is fucking amazing. It's just like,
Yeah, because I put this.
Sup?
Okay. Intro into airsoft. What? I don't know what game this is. We're just starting. I'm Ben. Josh. Spivey. That's it. Those two guys up there. The one in the hat is Chance. The one turned around with the big orange thing. That's Patrick. They're snipers. Let me see.
Hola. Hola, senor. Matt Ragnar. He's field testing it. Yes, and he has glorious bolt action gun, yeah?
oh, 96.
Ah, it's GG.
British.
Where are you at, Cody?
United Kingdom.
Snipers. What? Did you?
That's Cody,
Cody, who doesn't have his gun yet.
who doesn't have his gun. All right. Where's Cody's gun?
Right here.
Right there. And the one way the F down there, that's Travis. I don't know what kind of gun he has.
He's got an MP5.
MP5. All right, that's the intro. Let's get started.
Josh, what are you doing?
Bye. And the game has started.
No. Hey, ceasefire, ceasefire. Come on. What the fuck did you say? I wish your fucking ammo. Always taking a face.
The only way I'm running is if you stay here and watch my input.
I spy with my little eye two guys behind the sandbag. Who could that be?